I'm Dr. Ara Deukmedjian, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine Institute, the #1 place to go if you have back or neck pain. Deuk Spine Institute specializes in the diagnosis and treatment with advanced treatments for back and neck pain. Today we're going to talk about spinal stenosis, and I have 10 facts about spinal stenosis you may want to hear. Fact number 1, spinal stenosis means narrowing of the spine. Specifically, what's narrowing are the holes where the nerves come out or the hole where the spinal cord lives. So spinal stenosis can mean narrowing of the central canal, or it could be narrowing of the neuroforamen. The neuroforamen are the small holes where nerves come out. The central canal is where the spinal cord usually lives. The second, it's a very common problem for the spine. Many people end up suffering with symptoms of spinal stenosis. We call those symptoms neurogenic claudication. What it means is the nerves are being pinched badly and the nerves stop working. So people get weakness, numbness, tingling in their arms or legs. And if it affects your lower back, you can actually get pain in your legs, like cramping pain, aching pain when you're standing and walking. The pain always gets better when you're sitting down. Fact number 3, the #1 cause of spinal stenosis is trauma to your spine. As a matter of fact, trauma causes an injury to the disc or the facet joints. Over time, those injuries cause the joint to get worse and the joint enlarges and starts pinching on the nerves. When it comes to disc injuries, you get bulging discs that over time get bigger and they pinch the nerve in the neuroforamen. Herniated discs are the #1 cause for spinal stenosis, either in the neck with your cervical spine or in the lower back with the lumbar spine. Next, fact number 5. Invasive spine surgery has been the standard recommendation for the last 100 years for patients with symptomatic spinal stenosis. Invasive surgeries include procedures like microdiscectomy, laminectomy, spinal fusion, ACDF, artificial disc, even spinal cord stimulators. These invasive surgeries are the old way of treating spinal stenosis. Number 6, the new way of treating spinal stenosis is with minimally invasive, highly directed and targeted procedures. These procedures go in, for example, endoscopically with a laser to remove the cause of spinal stenosis. This can be done without damaging muscles, ligaments, or bones in your body. As a matter of fact, at Deuk Spine Institute, our minimally invasive treatments allow our patients to go home 1 hour after their procedure and get back to a normal life within a few days. Number 7, spinal stenosis never causes back pain or neck pain. The only thing spinal stenosis can do is cause pinched nerves, which cause arm or leg weakness, numbness, or tingling, or pain. It also causes a pinched spinal cord in your neck, which can cause balance problems, headaches, or coordination issues with your hand. Number 8, well, we just covered that along with number 7, which is it never causes back or neck pain. Finally, number 9 and number 10, spinal stenosis symptoms, they don't go away on their own. Physical therapy, chiropractic, massage, time, pills, shots will never fix spinal stenosis. Spinal stenosis is a surgical problem and requires a surgical treatment. What matters is that you choose the right surgery for you. At Deuk Spine Institute, we don't just perform invasive spine surgeries, we have minimally invasive procedures that work very well for spinal stenosis. As a matter of fact, the best treatment available today worldwide for spinal stenosis, in my opinion, is the endoscopic Deuk laser disc repair. There is no damage to muscles, ligaments, or bones. Patients leave our center an hour after their surgery, and we have a 99.6% success rate at eliminating back and neck pain. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please visit our channel, Deuk Spine Institute. Check out our website. We have a wonderful chatbot that answers questions. Thanks for your time.